you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in this class we will discuss about mensurations. Mensuration, perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. Discuss about perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. Perimeter of a rectangle is. Perimeter of a rectangle is. Meter of a rectangle is. Suppose A, B, C, D is a rectangle whose length is L and whose breadth is B, then perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, where L equal to length and B equal to breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Then area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Then perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square, perimeter of a square. Square is a rectangle whose all sides are equal. All squares are called rectangles, but all rectangles are not square. Square is a type of rectangle whose all sides are equal. Means this is sides are of equal length. Then perimeter of the square is 4 into side, and area of the square is side into side is S into S. Okay. Then I have already told you only knowing formula is not much. Please practice variety of questions. One thing, the area is always presents in meter square in square unit. Suppose 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100. This is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. In the same way, look at here. Keep it here. Then in the same way, 1 dm square is equal to 1 dm square is equal to 1 dm square is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100 centimeter square. Then 1 hm square, 1 hectometer square is equal to 100 into 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000 meter square. Then 1 kilometer square is equal to 1,000 into 1,000 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meter square. Okay. Then 1 kilometer square is equal to 100 hectares. Just remember this. This is useful for you while you solving the problems. Okay. Then please solve some examples. Suppose here in this questions, length of the rectangle is given 38 meters. Suppose A, B, C, D is a rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle whose length equal to 38 meter and breadth is equal to 32 meter. Then here area of the rectangle is equal to 38 into 32, which equal to 1216 meter square. Okay. Then perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 38 plus 32, which is equal to 2 into 70 is 140 meter. Okay. Then practice more examples. another question says, suppose side of a square is given. Side of a square is 50 meter. The side of a square is given 50 meter. Find the area and perimeter of the square. And perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 50 is 200 meter. Then in the same way, area of the square is equal to side into side is equal to 50 into 50 is 2500 meter square. Okay. Then some more formulas. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Then area of the parallelogram is DE. A, B, C, D. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. Where here AB is the base, and DE is equal to height. Of the parallelogram. Here we have to find out area of the parallelogram is base into altitude or height. Here base is AB and DE is the altitude. Here the question is given. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. I have already told you, students, please practice variety of questions. Here in this parallelogram says the base of a parallelogram is twice of its height. If the area of the parallelogram is given 512 centimeter square, then find the base and height of the parallelogram. Okay. Then here in this questions, what is given? Area is given. Suppose A, B, C, D is a parallelogram, whose area is given. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram is 512 centimeter square. Then another condition is given. The base of a parallelogram is twice of its height. Let the height be x. Then according to question, let the height be x. Then according to the question, the base is twice of its height. Then the base is twice of the height. Then the base is equal to 2x. Then area is equal to base into height. Which is equal to 2x into x is 2x square. But here the question is given which is equal to 2x square. Here the question is given the area of the parallelogram is given 512 centimeter square. Here the area is given. Area is 512 centimeter square. This means 2x square is equal to 512. This means 2x square is equal to 512. This means x square is equal to 512 upon 2, which equal to 256. then x equal to square root of 256, which equal to 16 centimeter. This means x, the height is 16 centimeter. Then according to question, base is equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 16 is 32 centimeter. Here in this questions, the height is 16 centimeter and the base is 32 centimeter. Okay. I have already told you students, please do your worksheet properly and ask me your doubt. Here the question says, area of the rhombus shaped. Rhombus is a type of parallelogram whose all sides have same measure. Rhombus is a type of parallelogram whose all sides have same measure. Means all rhombus are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rhombus. Suppose A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Here A, B, here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Is a rhombus whose ABCD is a rhombus whose all sides are equal, whose sides are S, 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 whose all sides are equal. Then here area of the rhombus is, suppose DE is the altitude. Then area of the rhombus is base into height. Area of the rhombus is equal to base into height, is equal to base into height. Here base is equal to AB and the height is equal to DE. Another formula of the area of a rhombus is, suppose A, B, C, D is a rhombus and AC and BD are two diagonals. Here the diagonals are given. Then the area of the rhombus whose two diagonals are given, area of the rhombus is half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 are two diagonals, Then rhombus, in case of rhombus and square, diagonals intersect each other at right angle. In rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. But in case of all rhombus are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rhombus. In case of parallelogram, need not be all the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. But in case of rhombus and squares, the diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Here in these questions, I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. Do your exercises regularly and ask me your doubt. Here in these questions, find the area of the rhombus field whose length of each side is 14 centimeter and altitude is 1.6 dm. The students, please remember, while you solving a questions area and perimeter, always put both the dimensions in same unit. Suppose here ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus whose length of the side is 14 centimeter and the altitude is suppose ABCD is a rhombus whose side is 14 centimeter and DE is the altitude and altitude is 1.6 dm. I have already told you, while you solving a mensuration, always put the dimension in the same unit. This is 14 centimeter and this is 1.6 dm. At first convert dm into centimeter. This means altitude equal to 1.6 dm, which is equal to 16 centimeter, and base is equal to 14 centimeter. Area is equal to base into altitude, which is equal to 16 into 14, which is equal to 224 centimeter square. Okay. Then another question. Solve another questions. Please students practice your worksheet and ask me your doubt. Here the question says, area of the parallelogram is 625 meter square. Find the length of the side of the parallelogram if the corresponding altitudes is given, corresponding sides is given. We have to find out the corresponding altitudes. This means the question says, I have already told you, please practice variety of questions which will be helpful for you in the exam hall. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram given whose sides are respectively, this is 25 centimeter and this is 20 centimeter. We have to, and the area is given 625 centimeter square. Then we have to find out the corresponding altitudes. Means DE is the altitude to the BE. Here DE is the altitude of AB and DF is the altitude of, and DF is the altitude to BC. Here AB is equal to 25 centimeter and BC is equal to 20 centimeter and area is 625 centimeter. Then we have to find out the length of the two altitudes, means length of DE and length of DF. Then DE altitude is equal to area upon base. Area 625 upon 25, which is equal to 25 centimeter. Means the length of DE is 25 centimeter. Then we have to find out another altitude DF. Then DF is equal to area upon base. Here area is 625 upon 20. Then by dividing this we get, this is 625 31.25 centimeter. Then the altitude DF is of length 31.25 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the formula of area of a triangle? Suppose ABC is a triangle. CD is the altitude. Then area of a triangle is equal to half into base into altitude. Area of a triangle is half into base into altitude. Then please practice some questions. Here the triangle is given whose base and height is given. Suppose here one example. Find the area of the triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle. ABC, here ABC is a triangle whose base is equal to 2 meter. I have already told you, please students, always put the dimensions in same unit while you finding area of any rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, any. Always put the dimensions in same unit. And here height is equal to 60 centimeter. This is in centimeter and this is in meter. At first convert this into centimeter. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to half into 200 into 60, then which is equal to 3000 centimeter square, which is equal to 3000 centimeter square. 6000, sorry, which is equal to 6000 centimeter square, which is equal to 0.6 meter square. Converting it into meter, we get this is 0.6 meter square. Okay. Then another question. Then here I have already told you, please practice variety of questions. Here find the area of the rhombus whose two diagonals are given. I have already told you, while the diagonals are given, area of a rhombus is half into d1 into d2. Here A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Here the question says A, B, C, D is a rhombus whose AC is equal to 25 centimeter and BD is equal to 15.2 centimeter. Then here we have to find out area of the rhombus. Here area of the rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2, which is equal to half into 24 into 15.2, which is equal to 12 into 15.2. By solving this 15.2 into 12, we get 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, then 2 1s are 2, 3 0 4, this is 2 5 1, we get 2 8, this, then we get 182.4 centimeter square. Then area of the rhombus is 182.4 centimeter squares. Okay, then here another questions. Look at here. Then here find the circumference and 1 minute. The perimeter of a triangle is side plus side plus side. The perimeter of a triangle is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Okay. Then in case of equilateral triangle, the area of the triangle, the perimeter of the triangle is equal to 3 into side. Okay. Then here, what is the circumference of a circle? Here the circle is given whose radius is of r. Circumference means perimeter of the circle. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. Then area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Here r is the radius of the circle. Then in the same way the circumference, suppose this is a semicircle, of radius r, then the circumference of a semicircle is equal to pi r plus 2r. Taking r common, this is pi plus 2. Okay. Then area of a semicircle is equal to pi r square upon 2. Okay. Then solve some examples. I have already told you, only knowing formula is not sufficient. Please students, practice variety of questions. Here the question says, the example says, the circumference of a circle whose diameter is given. Here the diameter of a circle, is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Find the circumference. Then the circumference is equal to circumference of the circle is equal to pi d, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into d is 4.2 centimeter. Then by solving this, we get this is equal to 13.2 centimeter. Then the circumference is 13.2 centimeter. Okay. Then suppose then the area of a circle is pi r square. Here the area of a circle is pi r square. Find the area of the circle whose radius is given. Area of a circle, suppose this is a circle, area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Then here the question says, here the radius of the circle is given. Here radius of the circle is, given 14 centimeter. Area is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. Then by solving this, we get area of the circle is 616 centimeter square. Okay. In the same way, students, please practice your questions, exercises, and ask me your doubt. I will clear your all doubts. Thank you, students. Please.